In this video we will take a look at the slides of adrenal gland or suprarenal gland. The slide is stained with hematoxin eosin. That means that the nuclei of cells are violet and cytoplasm is pink. The adrenal gland consists of an outer cortex and inner medulla. Here it's located cortex, and here it's also cortex, and inner part is medulla. It's here. So adrenal gland is surrounded by a connective tissue capsule here with the branches of adrenal blood vessel, vein, and nerves. The fenestrated sinusoidal capillaries and large blood vessel are found throughout the cortex and medulla. The adrenal cortex is subdivided to the three concentric zones. The inferior to the connective tissue capsule is the outer zona glomerulosa. It's here. It's thin layer of cells. In zona glomerulosa, the cells are arranged into ovoid groups or clumps, are surrounded by sinusoidal capillaries. Here, the ovoid clumps of cells in zona glomerulosa, for example here also. The middle and the widest cell layer is the zona fasciculata. It's here, zona fasciculata, with cells arranged in the vertical columns or radial blades, and these cells contain high amount of lipid, and cytoplasm it's very light and vacuolated, and sinusoidal capillaries between the cell columns follow a similar vertical or radial course. So here is zona fasciculata, and the last layer of adrenal cortex is here and called zona reticularis, with borders on the medulla. For example, here is also zona reticularis. The cells of the zona reticularis form anastomosing cords surrounded by sinusoidal capillaries also. So look closely. Here is zona reticularis, and in this zone it's very distinct capillaries which surrounded the cell cords. The medulla contain secretory cells also, and these cells called chromaffin cells. Here in the medulla you can find big veins. For example, here it's the wall of a vein, also here, and in medulla it contains also neurons. So that's all for the adrenal gland, which composed of cortex and medulla, and fibrous capsule surrounded all adrenal gland. Cortex is subdivided to the three layers. The first it's zona glomerulosa, next zona fasciculata, and zona reticularis, and in the center of adrenal gland you can find medulla with chromaffin cells and big veins. Well, thank you.